Features of Excel 2016. Excel provides several features which make Excel the first choice for professionals to quickly perform lengthy accounting and financial tasks and take immediate decisions. Some of them are as follows. Functions and formulas. Functions are the built-in formulas used for calculating percentage, interest, average, etc. in Excel. Formulas are used for performing simple as well as complex calculations. Formatting features. Excel allows the use of formatting features to improve the look of the data. Auto calculation. Data is automatically recalculated in the worksheet if any change is made in a single cell. Fast searching. Fast searching and instant replacing of data. Autofill. Entering data in a series using autofill feature. Graphically view data. Data can be viewed in a graphical form as charts. The charts help us to understand, analyze and compare data in an effective manner.